Hi guys, this is a new video of Primavera. In this case I'm going to show you how to create a new calendar, a basic calendar, and how to assign it to each activity in the project that you are building. So I made here a sample project. If you notice, if we go to the label of the option of the detail of the project, you will notice what is the calendar that is assigned of this project. That means when I'm going to add some activities into that project, this is going to take this calendar as a standard. But I don't want this calendar. I want to make my own calendar for this project and I want to sign it. This we have the option that we have in the calendar, but I want to create a new one. So we go to here to tools, enterprise, and we check in calendars. We'll notice the how many calendars we have and where are signed then to each project. For example, here we have this signed to all these projects. I have this calendar that I was configuring for some projects, but it's not signed to anyone. I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to add a new one. So we press here in add button, and we are going to take some of them as a duplicate properties. I'm going to copy from this corporate standard full times the properties. I'm going to change it. So double click of that, I put here calendar sample, and I'm going to modify the options. As a basic level, I just only care how many days, calendar days I'm going to spend of each activity. So that means that I will take Saturdays and Sundays as a work week day. So we put here, we change the configuration of the day. We put Sunday and Saturday as a Labor Day, and you notice it's going to change these colors. All is going to put in standard options. That means that that day is going to count as a labor day in our schedule. The only thing that you have to check that in hours per day we have 8 hours in time of periods. So I'm going to put OK here. We have our sample calendar. Sorry. We are going to change here the name, sample calendar. Yes, I'm going to close it. Now I'm going to tell the program that when I add some information of my project in project details, I'm going to close this and I'm going to show you how to get to that options. We put here, click, right click, project details, go to here where you see settings, defaults, and we see here calendar again. So we check and take save calendar, and I will open my project. Now we have a sample project. We work breakdown structure. We only have two activities, but there are no activities to each stage of the project. So I'm going to assign new one, another one here, another one here. And you notice that there are activities, but I don't know if there are assigned with the calendar that I needed. So in general, we check that they are assigned to sample calendar, and I can choose my calendar, or I can modify if we want to change the calendar of that activity. So here, same calendar, but if you notice, the other activities are created with simple calendar. Now, other form to see that calendars are correctly assigned is go to modify in these options, columns, about options, go to find, calendar, find next. I added to the my columns option of my project, apply OK, and we notice here. Now, if I make a mistake of my calendar, I want to go back, I don't have to each activity and change here. So I made only the change of the first activity. For example, I go back to corporate standard full time. I can choose all the activities with the scroll, and I click right click here in corporate standard full time. I'm going to choose the option fill down, and all my activities are going to change as I want it. So here, to update this mistake here, you only go to the tools, schedule, I will close the project, I will open the project again, and it's fixed this mistake. Thank you for all. That is a new video. This is a basic level of calendar. So next time I'm going to show you other options that we have in calendars and how to use it with the property scale with fixed hours, or how to calculate the cost of the resources versus the calendar that we assigned. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Let me a comment. I will answer as soon as possible. Thank you.